Using SOCKS5 to stream Netflix is one of the quickest ways to get a proxy error. Using the regular VPN to torrent at full speed is one of the fastest ways to leave performance on the table. Both tools come free with IPVanish, and almost nobody uses them right now. I'll show you which one wins for streaming, which one wins for privacy, and the one situation where the answer flips completely. My name is Kyle from the VPN Nerds. Let's get into it. Okay, before we compare them, let me quickly explain what SOCKS5 is, because most people have no clue. A VPN is basically a secure tunnel. Everything you do online, browsing, streaming, gaming, downloads, gets encrypted and routed through a private server. Your real IP gets hidden and your data is locked up tight. A SOCKS5 proxy is more like a quick mask. It just changes your IP address for specific apps, not your whole device. And here's the big one. SOCKS5 does not encrypt your traffic, it just routes it. So a VPN equals full protection. SOCKS5 equals lightweight IP change. Both have their place. Let's get into which one to use. First up, speed. This is the #1 reason people use SOCKS5. Because SOCKS5 doesn't encrypt anything, it's way faster than a full VPN connection. There's no encryption overhead, no extra processing, just a quick reroute through a proxy server. In testing, IPVanish's SOCKS5 proxy gave me speeds almost identical to my regular connection. The VPN, on the other hand, slowed me down by 20 to 25%, which is normal for any encrypted VPN. So if pure speed is what you want, like torrenting large files or high bandwidth tasks, SOCKS5 wins easily. So the winner, SOCKS5. SOCKS5 is faster because it skips encryption, whereas a VPN is slower but more secure. Now flip the script. What about privacy? This is where the VPN dominates. When you're connected to IPVanish's VPN, all of your traffic is encrypted with AES 256. The same encryption banks and militaries use. Your ISPs, hackers on public Wi-Fi, and snooping third parties can't see what you're doing. SOCKS5, zero encryption. Your ISP can still see your traffic. Hackers on public Wi-Fi can still intercept it. The only thing SOCKS5 hides is your IP address. That's it. So if you're using public Wi-Fi at a coffee shop or airport, never use SOCKS5 alone. Use the VPN. SOCKS5 will hide your IP address from the website, but it won't protect your actual data. So the winner is VPN. SOCKS5 hides your IP, VPN hides your IP and your data. For privacy, always use the VPN. Okay, so SOCKS5 is faster, but the VPN is secure. But what about the stuff most people actually care about? Streaming and torrenting. Here's where it gets interesting. Let's talk Netflix, Hulu, BBC iPlayer. All the streaming stuff. For streaming, the VPN is the better pick. Why? Because streaming services like Netflix actually block known proxy IP addresses. And SOCKS5 proxies are usually easier to detect than VPN servers. IPVanish's VPN servers are constantly cycling and refreshing to stay ahead of Netflix blocklist. Also, streaming requires solid, consistent speeds. While SOCKS5 is technically faster, it's not optimized for streaming the way VPN servers are. You might also run into geo-blocks that the VPN handles better. If you do want to try streaming with SOCKS5, it can work, but expect more proxy errors and inconsistency. So the winner, VPN. For streaming, use the VPN. Streaming servers are better at detecting and blocking SOCKS5 proxies. Now here's where SOCKS5 actually shines, torrenting. A lot of experienced torrenters use SOCKS5 specifically because it's faster than a VPN, it hides your IP from other peers in the swarm, it doesn't slow your download speeds with encryption. IPVanish offers SOCKS5 access on every plan, and you can plug it directly into your torrent client, like qBittorrent or Deluge under proxy settings. But here's the warning. Since SOCKS5 doesn't encrypt, your ISP can still see what you're torrenting. They won't know exactly what, but they can still see the activity. So a lot of pros use VPNs plus SOCKS5 together. VPN for encryption. SOCKS5 inside the torrent client for better IP protection. For most beginners though, just using IPVanish's VPN by itself is plenty. It works great for torrenting out of the box. So the winner, SOCKS5 for speed and VPN for security. SOCKS5 is the torrent's secret weapon for speed, but the VPN gives you real protection from your ISP. Last one, how easy is each to actually set up? The VPN is dead simple. Open the IPVanish app, Pick a server and hit connect. Done. Even a complete beginner can use it in under a minute. SOCKS5 is more manual. You have to log into your IPVanish account, generate SOCKS5 credentials, plug them into the specific app that you want to proxy, like your torrenting client or browser. It's not super hard, but it's definitely not click and go. For beginners, the VPN is way more approachable. SOCKS5 is more of an intermediate level tool. If you want to follow along with the SOCKS5 setup, make sure your IPVanish account is open from the link in the description below to grab your credentials. So the winner, VPN. VPN equals one-click protection. SOCKS5 equals a manual setup for specific apps. So which one should you use? Here's the simple breakdown. For everyday browsing, streaming, and privacy, use the VPN always, no question. For torrenting and maximum speeds, use SOCKS5. Ideally on top of the VPN. For public Wi-Fi safety, use the VPN. Never trust SOCKS5 alone outside your home. For complete beginners, just stick with the VPN. It does everything you need. The cool thing about IPVanish is you get both tools on every plan. So you're not paying extra for SOCKS5, it's just there when you need it. I've dropped a link to IPVanish in the description below with the best current deals if you want to try it out yourself. Here's a quick recap. VPN equals full encryption, slower, simple, better for streaming and privacy. SOCKS5 equals no encryption, but it's faster, manual setup, and better for torrenting speeds. Don't think of it as which one is better. Think of it as which tool fits the job. For 95% of the people, VPN is the answer. For torrenters and power users, SOCKS5 is a niche bonus. If this video helped clear things up, smash that like button. It really helps the channel out, and don't forget to subscribe to the VPN Nerds. Drop a comment below, are you team VPN or SOCKS5? Just so you know, these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small referral fee at no extra cost to you. Using these links helps support the channel so we can continue bringing you free content just like this. My name is Kyle from the VPN Nerds. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.